Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick unboxing and overview of this Steelbird face shield. So this is the face shield from Steelbird. Steelbird is also known for very high quality and good looking designer helmets. We have also reviewed few of the helmets from Steelbird and they are really good. So here we have the face shield from Steelbird. So when nowadays with pandemic and corona situation, it's quite good that you wear face shield all the time, and it's advised that you should wear your mask and face shield whenever you're going out. So this face shield is a face shield in which you don't need to take your face shield out even when you are getting calls. So that's pretty cool feature, that you also get an aux cable and you can connect this aux cable to your face shield and one into your smartphone, and whenever you're getting called you don't need to take out your face shield out. So either ways you are very safe while taking calls also. That's a really cool feature that we have with this Steelbird face shield. Also it's made of a very high quality material. You can also adjust the headband like this. This foam onto the ear cups is really nice. It's very soft and comfortable, so you don't feel any discomfort even while wearing for a long time. Sound output of the speaker is also good enough for taking calls. So overall this is a very high quality face shield with inbuilt call speaker. So if you're a person who has a field job or travels a lot outside, this will be a really great product for you. You should definitely try this out. If you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same will be in the description. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.